Hello students, let us see English chapter 1.4 The King's Choice, written by Shankar from Folk Tales Retold. In this story, the role of the king was played by a lion. Let us see what the story is. Once there was a lion who was big, strong and fierce and was the king of the forest. So all the animals in the forest used to call him as a king and brought him gifts from every corner of the forest. One day he thought that a king must have a court. So for that reason he appointed Fox as an advisor, as he was wise and clever, Leopard as a bodyguard, as he was watchful and swift, and to the vulture as his messenger, as it can fly high. All these three creatures took an oath of loyalty to the king. So for some time all went well in the court. One day the vulture came back from the flight and asked the lion that, "Have you ever taken a taste of a camel? It is very tasty," and he ate it once in the desert. The lion has never seen a camel and liked the idea of trying camel's meat. So the lion asked the vulture, "Where can we get a camel?" The vulture told him that he has seen a camel in the desert, some miles away, and it is big and fat. Now when the lion asked the fox and leopard for their opinion, they did not want the vulture to seem wiser than them. So they said that they did not know the desert, and as it was an idea of vulture, he should lead the way. The next morning, the four of them started off for camel's hunt. As soon as they reached the edge of the desert and it was a sunny day, the paws of lion started burning. So the lion got very angry and he decided to go back without caring to try camel's meat. Now Fox thought of a plan and went off in search of a camel. And also he found a camel there. He told him that his king, that is lion, has invited him in his court and he has killed his master also. The camel became ready and he followed the fox. Seeing them, the fox and leopard were surprised and even the king was very happy. Now they started on their journey. Lion sat on the camel's back and other jumped up behind him. With a vulture as a guide, they returned back to the forest. The lion welcomed the camel in his court and promised him to protect as he has saved the lion's life. Seeing this, the fox, vulture and leopard were shocked, as they have put their lives in risk to taste the camel's meat. They were not happy with his decision. Now they planned to make the camel ask to be eaten. So they went to the king and said that they have found no food to him, but they cannot let their king to suffer. So they offer themselves in front of the king. The camel listened to all these offers and said to king that instead of eating his old friends, eat him. He is ready to give his life for him. And this was exactly what the fox, the leopard and the vulture were waiting for. They were prepared to jump on the camel, but the lion stopped them. The lion said, "You are all good and loyal. I am very happy with your offers and shall eat you in the order in which you offered yourselves." Hearing this, the vulture, the fox and leopard were shocked and ran away, and they were never seen in the forest again. The lion laughed to see them go and said to camel that, "You have been loyal and good. You shall be my friend," and thought to himself that to be king is good, but to be kind is better. At the end of, the lion and camel became friends.